Now that we have everything nice and clean, Now that we have everything nice and clean and the Mustang is up on the frame machine, it is time to inspect the damages to the frame. Here we have our right side frame rail, and as you can see, this thing took quite a lick right in the frame end, and it's turned in a little bit, but we have the remedy for that. We are going to strap this thing up onto the lift and pull that sucker out, and then cut it off. So what do you guys think about my cleanup job though? And I have to say, I didn't just stuff everything into a corner or into a box. I actually put everything back and cleaned everything up. I've removed all the wiring and everything off of the frame rail, and we need to make a plate for the frame end here. And to do that, we already have a plate that has been used multiple times. And what I'm going to do, I am going to bolt it on like that and then probably weld it on that side. And we will use that to pull on the rail. I'm trying to save this part of the rail, this flatter part. I want to save this part and only replace this inner part because it's just going to be better that way. This part is not that damaged. It can be straightened out very easily. And then this side right here, we'll just put some heat to it and pull it out. This section right here needs to be cut off. This section right here needs to stay. And we need to make this section right here straight as an arrow. Now when you're looking at the rail, you can see that the rail is relatively straight. And now I'm not saying that you couldn't, but if one wanted to, one could wire wheel that, weld up the holes and whatever, and fix it. I'm telling you guys, this right here, this is not a big deal, but guess what? I'm still gonna cut it off because I do not like that. Now that we have the frame rail straightened out, we can take it off the frame and finish the job on the ground. And if we end up having to tweak it, we'll just put it right back up on the frame machine and fix it. But for now, we need to remove it and put up the Ford Econoline van. Давай, с розгончика, бо він... Давай, так і прямо. Правее, правее. Oop. Very nice, very nice. Чуть вправо і ще назад, вправо. Ще назад давай. Давай, 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 ще чуть-чуть. Стоп. Perfect. You're good right there. Sir, one question. Why do you take this job? Look at this. Bro. Sir, who gonna fix
Easy job.
Easy job?
Yeah.
I watch you pull it. Man.
Jest tu tylko szkórka.
Тільки шкурка?
Tylko szkórka ojca.
Now that we have the van up on the frame machine and we have everything strapped down real nice, it's time to do what I call a preliminary pull. And basically that's just the roughest pull you can do. You just pull it out, whatever comes out, and then whatever doesn't come out, obviously you have to work on. But the preliminary pull, we're going to start right here, and we need to try to make this piece go right back inside this piece right here, and that way everything can kind of come out together. We will be cutting this entire section off, so it really doesn't matter, but we would like to at least try to get everything as close as possible. Давай чуть дернемо и потом воно відпусти його. Okay, now we need to put board. No. The board broke. That piece is ready to cut. This part right here, you need to grab here. Grab it right here and pull it. You need to cut this off and grab here and pull this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Skin needs to be removed.
I know I said.
So basically, as you guys can see, the bulk of it came out very easily with one very simple pull and at the expense of a 2x4. But now what we need to do is remove this skin and then pull this door post right here. And also we need to pull this section right here. This entire section here is smashed in. So we need to grab this pinch weld right here and pull on it, and then just basically pull everything out together and cut it all off, and then get the donor piece and weld it on. I have this upper skin sort of pulled out, kind of, not really. I am going to focus on this part of the damage, and as you guys can see here, this is why I pulled out that skin first, because that skin is going to be cut off, but these parts are not going to be cut off. So when you're straightening parts that are not going to be cut off, you want to get the mangled stuff out of the way first. As you can see, she's pretty jacked up under here, man. Oh look, there's a gas tank. I thought this thing was electric. Anyways, I'm gonna put a clamp right here, right there. You see where that weird finger's pointing at? Right there. I need to put a little clamp right there. Yep, buddy. I might even just put a hook right here. I really honestly don't care. And then I'm gonna have to go up inside and get to pounding on her from the inside. Literally snatching right here. Y'all seen that? That pinch wheel can't handle that kind of stress. Nope. No, sir. I'm going to have to do something else. I'm going to have to go ahead and take off this whole section right here. So basically what I need to do is just go ahead and remove this skin, remove that inner structure, and throw that deep hook under there and pull it out that way, which is something I'm not going to be doing today. So I'll catch you guys later. Sir, it looks almost done. It looks almost done. Look at that. Look at this booty. Look at that. That doesn't look good, man. When Dad puts his mind to something, Dad gonna get it done. I'm telling you what. Woo. It's gonna look nice. How much you want? About 40,000?
39.
39,000? 39 and a half. 39 and a half. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. And unfortunately, I could not get my hair cut today. I don't know what happened to my barber. I tried everything, and I just simply could not locate him. I even checked the GPS tracker that I had on his vehicle, and it was still not showing up. But I'm just kidding. I'm sure he'll show up. I'm sure he'll turn up. But stay tuned, guys. In the next few videos, we will be getting the Mustang done. We will be getting the Econoline van done. And don't forget about the Lambo, guys. I'm still trying to get the Lambo. We're on the Lambo mission. So I don't know, maybe you got like a crazy, weird, rich uncle who might like some feet pics. Send him some and then give me the money. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Huh? You hungry? Yeah, I'm hungry, man. I've been waiting all day for this. What's this big old muffin doing right here? This thing looks like a football. Whoa, 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 bud. You got to back up. You eating for like 4. Wait, when are you do?
Where did you see him?
He was at my house. You installed the countertops on my dad's.
You just put that.
I'm about to just take the whole plate, man.
Take it. Man of the hour.
I'm kidding. She thought you were hilarious at the beginning.
Yeah.
He's like,
Then I saw you.
Content farming.
We're going that way.
Отсюда, guys. Отсюда. From this side. I'm sorry. It's just картошка, мясо и
We're Ukrainians. We don't know anything.
What happens when you set a table with an influencer? Yo, why do you steal my napkin?
Yo. Got him. 4K.